In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok AI in Twitter. Even though the platform is now called X, the goal is the same. You'll learn exactly where to find Grok and how to start getting helpful answers, summaries, and drafts right from your home feed. First, head to X. You can use the mobile app or a desktop browser. Make sure you're on the home screen so you're looking at your main timeline. This is the easiest place to start because Grok is designed to be just a tap or click away from where you already spend time. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a moment to load. Features sometimes appear after the timeline finishes refreshing. Next, look for the Grok entry point in the navigation. On desktop, it typically appears in the left-hand sidebar as a dedicated Grok button. On mobile, you may see it in the main navigation or within the side menu. The label usually reads Grok and it opens a dedicated chat-style space. If your interface was recently updated, the icon or placement might look slightly different, but it will still be clearly identified as Grok. When you find it, click or tap to open the chat window. Now you're ready to use it. In the message box, type your question or prompt. You can keep it simple, like explain this trending topic in plain English, or make it more specific, such as summarize the key points from today's conversations about electric vehicles. If you're drafting content, try something like write a friendly post about a product update in under 280 characters, or suggest a reply that's polite but firm. The more context you provide, topic, tone, length, the better Grok can tailor the response. Press enter to send, then review what Grok returns. If the first answer isn't quite right, refine it with a quick follow-up like shorter, more playful, or add 2 bullet-free examples. You can also ask for clarifications, alternative phrasings, or a different tone. Before you publish anything Grok helps create, read it over to ensure it matches your voice and is accurate for your audience. Avoid sharing private or sensitive details in your prompts, and remember that real-time information can change quickly, so it's smart to double-check facts when precision matters. That's it. Open X, open Grok, and start asking. With a little practice, you'll move from quick questions to polished drafts in just a few messages. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what Grok can do for you on X.